Hey guys, welcome back to my channel The Engineer Singh. Today's tutorial I will show you how to integrate using scientific calculator. Just follow the simple steps. So without wasting any further time, let's start our video. So the first thing you need to do is you need to activate the integration function. You can see on the right side I have activated it. Then you need to define the function. So I'm taking function as an example 1 by x. Yeah, that's it. And you need to define the range. Just define the range and then just solve it. You will get the value. That's how you can solve any integration function. Let me take another example. Let's go for square. Yeah, that's it. Just solve it and you will get the answer. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching guys. If you like the video, hit the like button. For any question and queries, you can comment down below. Do subscribe and yeah, don't forget to turn on the notification.